Yo guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. In this video I'm going to show you how to download 99 nights in the forest scripts on your Roblox game. So just follow along the tutorial. So the first step is to open your game, go to more and then go to settings and then go to account info. In the account info section, copy your username. As you can see, here is my username easyboss2289 and just close the game. And now open any browser and visit this website that I'm going to show you. It's called Tweak Blocks. Just note it down carefully and don't skip the video now guys, as a very important step is going to come next. Don't forget to add .com at the end, and the website is Tweak Blocks. Now click on browse and list all scripts and select 99 nights. Here you just have to enter the username that you copied. Let me enter mine, easyboss2289, and click on continue. Okay, now it will search for your account, so let's just wait. It has found your account, and now you can choose if you want the Delta executor as well with it or not. If you already have it, you can skip this, but if you don't have it, just add it. And you just have to select the script that you want for 99 nights. I have selected overflow as it's a very popular script for 99 nights. And it will try to connect with your account again, and it will try to inject Delta executor and the script that you selected. So it's done guys, the API is connected. Now the final step that many people miss is to complete the verification. As you can see, we have a key but last few digits are missing, so you have to click on verify now, and you just have to complete any 2 tasks from the list of tasks provided here. They are very simple and takes about 2 to 3 minutes of your time. They are from official App Store and Play Store. You just have to download few apps and then follow the instruction that are provided with them. I have already done this step, so I won't be showing you again, but as you can see, I will show you that I have got the 99 nights in the forest scripts in my game. I will launch the game and I will show you that by following the exact same steps, I have got the script. As you can see, I have the Delta executor here with the script that I've selected, overflow. And let me just close the Delta and now create a party size of 1 to show you that this works. Okay, the party has been created. Just don't forget to like, subscribe and share my content guys, it helps me a lot. And the game has been loaded, and as you can see, we have Delta on the right side, and I will just execute the script now. And we will have to wait for it to execute. Let's just wait. Sometimes it takes a little bit time. Okay, I will try again now. Execute. And we just wait. And as you can see guys, I have got the overflow script for 99 nights in my game. As you can see, it has loaded, and here are the settings that you can use. We can enable animal ESP, chest ESP, and on all kinds of ESP, and we can also remove fog. As you can see, the fog has been removed, and it also has a god mode, as you can see here. So that's it guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.